Hi, this tutorial will show you how to embed videos into a content page. So here's an example of a video that I embedded in the page where students will read a little bit, and then I've put a video where they can just play right here on the page and they don't have to go to YouTube or go to a video hosting site to view it. So they just click play and it goes. That's pretty easy to do, but first you need to understand a couple things. To embed this, I actually used an embed code. All videos have them online pretty much. So if I go to YouTube, if I look around, I should see a share button. And if I click on share and click on embed, and I'd copy this embed code. So Control C or Command C for a Mac. That's where it is now, but it's not always in the same spot. So if I go to a Vimeo video and I look around, I don't see a share button necessarily, but I do see, if I look around long enough and kind of scroll over different options, I see this little airplane, and when I scroll over that it says share. So if I click on that, it gives me an embed code. Again, that's what I want to have. This is a TED Talk that I want to use, and again, I'm just going to look around and scroll over things until I see something that says share. And right over here, if I scroll over the greater than less than signs, that is basically code. And so if I click on that, I can get the embed code there. So if I copy this embed code and go over to my page, I want to turn edit mode on because it was off at the time, and I'm going to click on HTML. So if you're unfamiliar with what HTML is, this is just the code that computers read to display what you want what you want students to see. You don't really need to know what all this is. What I typically do is I go to wherever I want the video to be, and I type in something like put video here, and then I go to the HTML button and I find put video here. So then that makes it easy. So I'm just going to go Control or Command V for the embed code and hit update, and you'll see now I have a little plugin there. But let me just do that for all the videos because I want to show you something. So now you'll see I should have 1, 2, 3 videos that I put in there. So I'm going to hit submit. I'm going to go to the page that I'd like, and I'm going to hit edit mode off. So here you see I have my Vimeo video, I have my YouTube video, but I don't have the TED Talk video that was supposed to be there. This is not uncommon when you're using anything other than the most popular tools. So YouTube is really popular, Vimeo is really popular, so you're good with those, and you're almost always good with YouTube. Vimeo is even kind of questionable, and TED Talk sometimes doesn't show up. But it really depends on the browser that you're using. So let me show you another browser. So this is Safari, and let me go to that page and show you what I see in Safari. So in Safari, all those videos show up. So it really depends on what browser they're using if they see the TED Talk video. So what I like to do is actually add a direct link to the TED Talk video in case it doesn't show up, or whenever I'm embedding something, I'll add a direct link to it, and you'll see that Vimeo automatically does that, which is nice. If I'm using anything other than YouTube, what I'm probably going to do is embed the video but also have a direct link to that video.